Hello guys, let me show you what we got here in the garage. Yes, this is the Arrow X-Cone slip-on exhaust system. Let me show you. This beauty. We mount it today on the CRF. Here's my bike. I don't record the mounting process because you already saw there you can find a couple of videos mounting such exhaust. I will show you a sound check after I will mount it. Guys, today we will do a sound check. I installed the Arrow X-Cone slip-on. You see it here. Nice little pipe. Let's start the bike. Sound on idle. In my opinion, is much louder than the stock. I have to use with this also, but it how it is. It's nice, not so heavy. We will test it and we will see it how it will perform. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.